Hey everyone, how is it going? In this video, I will show you how to know who unsubscribed your YouTube channel, and you can check it from YouTube Studio. Even you can see this how many people unsubscribe you in last 28 days or 7 days or whatever you need it. So for doing this, just click on YouTube Studio. Next you will see here such kind of dashboard, and in the dashboard at the left side you will find here that is analytics. So click on analytics. Next you will see such kind of interface, and just click on here that is see more. Right now you will see here at the top side there is subscription source. So click on subscription source, and you will see here there is subscription lost in the first row. There is subscription loss 37, subscription gain 216, and subscription right now 179, and it is just 28 days. And if you want to see just last 7 days, you can see from here, just select on this last 7 days, and right now you can see last 7 days you have lost 27 subscription, you have gained 102 subscription, and it was 75 subscription that time. So you can see how many subscription that way. I hope you feel better my video, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you with another video.